Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Friday live session, 21st of July, and 5 more minutes to close today's session. Nifty was so close to the 20,000 mark, it should have done yesterday itself, and the way it closed yesterday looked like today's morning will be a big cake cutting session, but that was not to be. Overnight there was one surprise price action in Infi ADR had fallen 10% for whatever reasons, including not so good results. And in line with that, today's morning was entirely different. Gift Nifty was already showing big negative opening along with the sentiments. In spite of having such a spectacular close and so close to 20k on Nifty, today Nifty opens almost 150 points below and all the way goes up to yesterday's low of 17,796. From there on, one small pullback attempt happens, but this pullback also does not sustain for long. Couple of candles, say about 4 candles, there was a pullback. So it looked at one point as if it has taken the support at yesterday's low, because the close was very good yesterday. There was all the reason to believe there were people on the long side waiting for crossover of 20k, and bulls or bears for that matter, nobody will give up so easily. Since the opening itself was closer to yesterday's low, there was all possibility that it will once again take support at yesterday's low. As expected, it also did that and it started climbing up, but then after some time it was not to be. In the sense, the pullback was not very successful. By then probably people had averaged their positions and started exiting, which started reflecting in subsequent candles, especially after 1 o'clock. You can see here the way Nifty very quickly lost ground and came below the reversal level of 19,780 and made a new low at 19,730. In fact, 19,730 is one more low which is significant, because it is not only cut yesterday's low, it is also cut day before yesterday's low. With this, we can say it has taken support at day before yesterday's low, but I don't know if it can sustain in the coming days. For now, Nifty is closing weaker, I would say. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. Opens around 46,300 plus, makes a high of 46,360, comes down all the way to 45,982. Intermediate, there was a support at 45,020, which happened to be the day's low at that point in time, and then one pullback once again comes all the way down to the day's low, but it survives. It makes a low of 45,990, just about 8 points, and then starts climbing up. Overall, Bank Nifty looks slightly like holding the index, because there was pressure from all the tech stocks, Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, LTTS. It was quite natural that some stocks had to be held on the higher side, and this time it happened to be on the banking stocks, and we saw some good movement in ICICI Bank, which crossed 1000. So On the whole, how does the charts look from here on? Markets are closing now. Well, on the spot, Nifty closes at 19,780 and Bank Nifty closes at 46,141. Nifty on the futures is down by about 160 points, but on the spot about 200 points. Bank Nifty closes slightly in positive on the futures with about 18 points, but on the spot is showing around 45 points in the negative. On the whole, how does the chart look from here on? Well, we know, there has been a stupendous rally this time round since mid of March until yesterday. We came all the way closer to 20,000 and today straight away it has cut 2 days low and it has made one lower low also. So this is the takeaway. Probably for the first time in last so many days, Nifty is actually looking, probably this time it will give up and it will start favoring the bears. So as we have been discussing all along, there was no short levels till now. Probably now we have some indications that certain short levels will be established. One thing, at least it has established one lower high for now. Yes, this is too early to say anything, but the beginning of the series of lower highs might have started today itself. So yesterday's high stands at 19,980 and today's high stands at 19,899, about 100 points lower. So one thing in an uptrend, what we have to watch is, has it started making lower highs? It might have not started making lower lows, then it becomes a sideways movement. But in this case, today is a significant day from the reversal point of view. Probably we are headed towards reversal from here on, and if that is the case, then 20k might be not immediately happening, which means we all have to wait for that crossover of 20k for some more time. Until then, it may have to just hang around here for some time, or it has to go a little bit down, and from there on one more leg up has to be started. Only then we can say if 20k will be taken out or not. In fact, last year December we came very close to 19,000 and we did not crack 19,000. The high that was made was 18,998, just 2 points, and this time we are making a high near 20,000, which is about 20 points lower. So these psychological marks are significant, but sometimes when it stops like this, then you need to revisit all the data points and closely observe where are the next reversal levels that are getting generated. So on the whole, I would only say, today is an important day to watch out for reversal patterns that might get developed in the coming days. On Monday, we will look into not just the intraday chart, also we will look into the hourly chart and also the settlement chart, so that we get a fresh perspective. From now on, playing market will become difficult. All this while it was one-sided movement. It was easy, not because we had to enter long in the morning and exit in the evening. It was easy because we need not have to take any positions at all. Now small signs of positions will come. It will try to confuse, the data will be little bit confusing, whether to take positions on the pullback or on the resistance, whether to go long or to go short. This is not a out and out sell market, but these are the sideways markets which will give lot of opportunities for both the players. And starting today, probably for next couple of days at least. It is expected Nifty to develop some kind of a lower levels or remain in the sideways. Either case, it is difficult to play because there will be alternating buy and sells, and it will put trader into dilemma at least for some time, and especially at the time of taking the position. So this is the kind of phase where a trader's mental strength is checked upon, but definitely these are the kind of time which will also make a good trader. So be in the market, be vigilant, observe very closely what's happening, observe how the trajectory is getting formed on the charts, and that trajectory and those levels, how many highs have been taken out, how many lows have been taken out, all of these things will give an indication whether the next move will be on the upside or on the downside. So that's it for now. Let us once again meet on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Until then, Om Swasti.